Oh, YouTube, we are back. Yo, we're doing another video this weekend. This weekend, I got a special treat. Taking a family on a vacation trip. We're gonna do a nice little trip to this piece of land that we have up north somewhere. But taking them all out and they're so excited, right guys? So excited, yeah. So I guess this is gonna be us out there, all right? We're gonna enjoy, we're gonna show you all the things that we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be cooking some s'mores. We're gonna be lighting campfires, and we're gonna be planning and looking at how to build. We're gonna be building stuff out there today, planting a banana tree. Right back there, see the banana tree right there? That's gonna have a home at the spot. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna get this vlog going, and you guys sit back and get the popcorn going, all right? Let's go. So we currently went for a coffee run. This new place I've never been to called Dutch Bros. I don't know what you know about Dutch Bros, but got the caramelizer. I give it an 8. Not too bad. Good flavor. Good flavor. Everybody drinking their drinks. Hey.
I got the strawberry smoothie.
And now we're gonna get ready to go to the spot. Let's go check it out. Peace. Oh, yo, what up? Facebook? YouTube. Yo, we're at the land right now. It's all of this. We're trying to put some houses on here, try to put a farm on here, trying to do something so we can live. Look at this. This is one of the cabins that we have up here. Look at these guys. What do you think this is? This poison ivy or no? What is that? What does that look like? All right, so we got a tree, and then we're gonna get. This is where we're gotta find a path to where the lake is. I'm not sure where the lake is. I remember when I used to come up here. Long time ago, used to be a path to the lake and everything, but right now there isn't a path and we're trying to find it.
And I have the shovel.
Oh, we found the lake. We found one of the lakes. Yeah. All right, guys, come on, let's go. Keep on going. Let's go to the barn. So you see all these trees? We need to get rid of all these trees.
Why?
To make a path, make a cleaner path. Look at all this. It's all growing up. It's by in a couple months, all this is gonna be filled up. These trees right here, the beautiful lake. There's a lot of broken down trees in it.
I remember.
And we're gonna have to clean up those trees. But I think
Who's cleaning up those trees again?
we're gonna have to pull those out and pull those logs out.
I'm cutting down these ones.
We have to clear out this whole area right here for a shoreline. I just want to see if there's any fish or any kind of small fishes in here. All right, guys, we're gonna go plant this tree, and we're gonna see how big this tree gets in 2 weeks. We're gonna plant it right here. All right, guys. So we finally got to almost the back part of the land that we're trying to develop. And if you guys see, right here is where I want to build my house. This is back here. The reason why I want to build the house on this part of the land right here is a long time ago. I came here and I was looking at the land and it's a fence. And I came here and I stood at this spot right here. And when I stood at this spot right here, you could see everything. You're on top of a hill. You can see the whole land. Most likely that's where the lake is over there. But we're gonna have to cut down some of these trees so that, watch out for the ant pile right there. And we're gonna clear out this barn and build a whole barnuminium right here. So we probably have a lot of livestock in here that we don't know about. Maybe it could be birds, snakes. Let's walk up in there real quick. Where's the machete?
Mom, she said she could just.
She ain't gonna do nothing. Ah!
What? That was just a blue lizard.
Go, walk. Blue lizard? Stop running around like that. You're scaring me. Okay, time to go home. Time to go back to the city. All right, we're gonna have to do a lot of work. Next time we come to the land, we're gonna have to bring our work clothes and some long sleeves and a shotgun, just in case. So this is right here, the end of the land right here. It's right here. I've already put the fence up right here. It goes back here and it goes all the way back. We're gonna take a picture of the banana tree, see where it is now. And then we come back, we're gonna check it out. If you haven't done yet, please like and subscribe and leave notifications and stay locked in to our adventure. I don't know what's in there, but we gotta get out of here. She is gonna crash out. All right, love you guys. See you guys later. Like and subscribe, leave notifications. Peace.